Are you looking to take your website design to the next level? Look no further than Elementor Pro, the #1 choice for web designers and site owners around the world. In this video, we'll explore the amazing features and benefits that make Elementor Pro the top pick for users. First and foremost, Elementor Pro offers a powerful drag-and-drop builder. Say goodbye to coding hassles. With Elementor, you can simply drag and drop elements onto your page, making website design a breeze. Elementor Pro goes beyond the basics. It provides a wide array of advanced widgets, including forms, pricing tables, post grids, and more. Create stunning, interactive content effortlessly. Responsive editing is crucial in today's mobile-centric world. Elementor Pro ensures that your website looks perfect on all devices, making it accessible to a wider audience. No design skills? No problem! Elementor Pro offers a vast library of professionally designed templates. Get started quickly or use them as a foundation for your unique creations. Global widgets are a time saver. Make changes to a widget once, and it updates across all instances on your site. Maintain consistency with ease. Take control of your website's look and feel with Elementor Pro's theme builder. Customize every aspect of your site's design without touching a line of code. Engage your visitors with pop-up windows. Elementor Pro's Popup Builder lets you create eye-catching pop-ups to capture leads or showcase promotions. If you're running an online store, Elementor Pro's Woocommerce Builder is a game-changer. Craft unique product pages and enhance the shopping experience. Dynamic content adds a personal touch to your website. Elementor Pro offers advanced dynamic content options, making your site more engaging and relevant. Connect Elementor Pro to your favorite third-party tools, such as email marketing and CRM systems, to streamline your workflow and boost productivity. Manage user roles and permissions effortlessly with Elementor Pro's Role Manager. Maintain control over who can edit and modify your website. Elementor Pro is the first choice of users for a reason. Its intuitive drag-and-drop builder, advanced widgets, responsive editing, and a wealth of features make it a powerful tool for web design and development. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, Elementor Pro empowers you to create websites that stand out in the digital world. Buy Elementor Pro today and unlock its full potential. Click the link in the description to get started. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more valuable insights and tutorials.